My name is Matt Powell with the City of Riverside Fire Department. If a fire starts in your home, you and your family just have 2 minutes to escape. That's why it's important to have a good working smoke alarm. As a reminder, this week is daylight savings time. When adjusting your clocks, it's a good time to change out your smoke alarm battery. After changing the battery, clean and inspect your smoke alarm so that's in good working condition, and test it to make sure that it's in operational mode. If your smoke alarm is older than 10 years old, it should be replaced.